Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be showing you how to warp a fidget spinner. Today I'm going to be using a fidget spinner I got offline. So first you need to be in a light area, just like your backyard. You see the fidget spinner is red and white, so I got more fidget spinners inside. We got a whole box full of fidget spinners. But you just gotta go ahead and push your fidget spinner, and there it is warping. I like doing that with it, and after it'll be just blinking and stuff. Still spinning fast, it looks like it's going slow now. But it's not now. So sometimes I put it on the table when I do it. It looks kind of cool. I like putting it on the table. You guys might like doing the same thing as me, but I like doing tricks like taking the caps off and putting something through and opening it so you don't have to see your hand. My best way is get an air compressor and do it because it goes fast and makes it look slow. If you take it and you barely hit it on the side, it spins like that. It looks kind of cool. So I'll show you it here. So it'll be going slow. And you can kind of just like change modes by that. Hit once, that's slow. It's fast. So that's one way I figured out. So if you guys like that music, you guys might like it because I like the music. So, hope you guys liked the warping fidget spinner. Bye.